Hello everyone, welcome to Prakash Academy. Today we are going to discuss about a new chapter of class 10th life processes. So let's start. So as we know, all living organisms perform various life processes necessary for the organisms to maintain their life. And for these processes, energy is required to carry out all these activities for their survival. And there are some basic life processes common to all living organisms, and these are nutrition, respiration, transportation, and excretion. So let's discuss about all of these processes one by one. So first is nutrition. So it is a process by which an organism obtains nutrients from food and utilize it to obtain energy, building and repairing of their tissues. And there are some mode of nutrition. So basically there are two main mode of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic. So first is autotrophic. So some organisms use simple food materials from inorganic sources in the form of CO2 and water. These organisms are termed as autotrophs, just like green plants and bacteria. Next is photosynthesis. So it is a complex process by which green part of the plants synthesis organic food with the help of CO2, water and sunlight. So you can see that in diagram that water and CO2 and sunlight absorbed by the plant and oxygen comes out as a byproduct. So with the help of sunlight and CO2, plants made their food and oxygen come out as a byproduct of the photosynthesis. So 6 carbon dioxide and 6 water molecules combined to make 1 molecule of glucose. So you can see in the diagram that carbon dioxide, water and light intake by the leaf and glucose and oxygen comes as a product. So major events in photosynthesis: first, absorption of light energy, and then convert this light energy to the chemical energy and reduce CO2 into the carbohydrates. Main site of photosynthesis is chlorophyll, and leaves are the major photosynthetic organs of plant. They contain chlorophyll, colored cell organ called chlorophyll. Next is cross section of leaf. So uppermost layer of leaf, which comes in direct contact with sun, is epidermis. Middle is stomata, and then the guard cell. So first, outermost layer of the leaf, its lower part contains stomata. Outermost portion of the leaf's lower part contains stomata. Stomata are teeny pores mostly found in the lower epidermis, and they allow gases to enter and exit the leaf more rapidly between plants and atmosphere. So stomata just act as a exchange gateway. So guard cell. So guard cell are bean shaped cells. They are just like bean shape and that frame the stomatal opening, and they contain chlorophyll and having a cell wall which help in regulation of opening and closing of stomatal pore. So in the diagram you can see the opening of the stoma and the closing of the stoma. And next, you can see in the diagram that a guard cell having chloroplast, they having a vacuole, a nucleus, and the opening between two guard cell are stomata. So we know that chlorophyll is the colored pigment and mainly helpful in photosynthesis process.